VS Code, and this is the code base for this that I showed you earlier on this folder, right? For this, yeah, I showed you this on the folder. So let's go back here. So let's see how they work together, right? Git and GitHub. Let's see how they work together. Right now, I have this project on my computer, as you can see. So I'm going to make a small change. So this is the README. This is the README file. So let's go here and okay, let's change the name. Let's change it. Let's change it. Okay. So we've done that. So I've typed something very simple. So Git actually recognizes that I've made this change. Now, how do we do that? We go here, these three dots, we go here, new terminal. You can see it, right? Click on new terminal, then the new terminal opens. So it's showing this, which means we're in the right folder. Okay. So once once I'm happy, and since I'm happy with the little change I made, now let's create a commit. Okay, so a commit is simply a snapshot of my project at this moment. Okay, so let's put in the command. Just follow me. It's very simple. So do git add, then dot, then enter. So it brings up a bunch of stuff. Then we put in the next command. Say git commit and we'll say updated readme. So enter. So are you seeing it? So the last but not the least, we do git push origin main. Then we click enter too. So this is where the magic starts. Okay, this is where the magic starts. So we've done that here, right, on my VS Code terminal, right? So now let's quickly go back to my Git hub profile. So let's quickly refresh. Let's quickly refresh. Let's quickly refresh, and then this is where the magic starts happening. It's loading. Just give it a couple seconds. So it's done. So let's check if what we did actually committed. Oh, see it's readme updated readme 1 minute ago. Then voila, then look at it, it's changed, right? So now the exact same changes that we did on our VS Code appeared on our GitHub. Okay, so it shows that Git tracked the change and then GitHub stored it online. So that's basically how the two tools work together. Okay, so it's very simple.